Hello everybody. Today we're going to pick a challenge lock. This one is made by Daz Evers, number 24. It's a Tessa Asa Abloy. Works awesome. Smooth just like it was stock. There's the bitting. So let's throw this in a vise and see if we can't get it open. Da, da, da. It's been about a week since I picked the lock. Well, on video. It's been about 30 degrees in my shop, and that's just way too cold for me. So here we are, back in action. Alright, we'll go try 50 thousandths. Yep. 50 will work. And I'm gonna use this beautiful pick by Daz Evers. Short hook. And we'll give her hell. Let's see here. Gonna click from 5. Felt like a tiny bit of rotation too. Tighten my vise up a little bit. Actually, let's get a better angle here. There we go. Alright. If I can get the pick in there. Pretty tight keyway there. Not a whole lot of squawking, talking from these pins. Got no real feedback except from 5. Try to go counterclockwise. Feel a little bit of something. Might have to switch picks, get a narrower shaft. Maybe use a spare. I was picking off a ledge here, and there's not a whole lot of room to work. No feedback. Sorry for the quietness. I'm trying to learn this guy here. Let me try an offset hybrid. Give me a little more room. Boy, there's just no kind of feedback on this guy except for pin 5. You can get one click off of him. Strange. Oh, it clicked from 2. Click from 4. My goodness, Des. Have you gotten into this lock? Alright, here we go again. 5. Very tight tolerances on this guy. Overset something. Go back to the Daz pick. I can't do it. There we go, a little bit of a false set. Let's switch to a gem. Some counter off of 1. And a little rotation. A little more rotation. Gonna do a nice false set here. Oh, and we're open. Go, man. Dang, Daz. That was a toughie. Holy smokes. What a toughie. Oh, dropping everything. Get back up there, leg shackles. And my Bronx. Okay. Oh, hot doggity dig. We're in it. Put that down. Alright, let's get into this guy, shan't we? Get the bendy clip off. We're still picked open. Looks like I have trouble with this shim. It's pretty tight. Alright. We did it with a half a shim. Some nice pins there. Very nice pins. Let me orientate them right. Okay. Look in the core, or the plug, sorry. Looks like there's threading in 1, 3, and 4. Go top here. Find some more awesomeness, I'm sure. Oh, if that shim wasn't in my way. Shim out. There's one. Oh, that was a T-pin. Not like that. Spring. Ooh, copper. Copper spring. Another awesome pin. Okay. Oop. Go for 5. Awesome pins. There's 5. And 4. Boom. Alright. Look up in the Bible. Doesn't seem to be anything going on up there. Awesome. Alright, let's check out these pins. Shall we? Okay. Get a little tilted up here a little bit. Get my trusty pointer. Alright, 1 was a spool. 2 was it looks like kind of a wedding cakey with serrations. 3 is double serrated. 4 has got like 3 serrations. 5 is a T-pin. Driver, multiple serrations. T-pin. This one is a step down T-pin with a serration. We got 2 serrations in 4. And number 5 driver, spool with a serration. Springs, we got steel, copper, copper, steel, and copper. Awesome lock, guys. Appreciate you sending this out, making it, all that stuff. It was a great lock, very challenging. As always, everybody, be well and behave. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.